Female internet fraudster. They don't arrest her. No, the thing sound funny to the ear. Female internet fraudster. I never hear this one before, my people. They don't arrest this one. And according to Matawe, they say the lady named na Queen Jonathan. 24 years old. 24. And they say they arrest her because she involved herself inside a big Bitcoin scam. I don't know what to be that one. So, and according to Matawe Rich people, they say during the investigation, now know that when they're gonna say, hey, what's your name? This one, the different questions. As they ask this girl, say what to be her name. You no go believe her. Also, no, my name is Sophia Rodriguez. Hey, I will put the girl picture. Many they see Sophia Rodriguez. See, person when they answer Spanish name. I shock. As she thought, I couldn't know what she talk. She revealed herself as Sophia Rodriguez. And even they say for Instagram, and so she would just the post say she be expert in Bitcoin, she be this one, and people they patronize, people they do this one. And according to EFCC now, they say she makes some statements where they very, very useful. And now they don't call her out to answer for court, so they wait for the day so that they go. In fact, many things my people know be small thing. I never hear before say woman. Okay, I'm not to say they know they. I say I never hear say woman they scam. Ha! Hey! Omo! Girls are not smiling, no. Hey! What men can do, women can do better. Now be this. I shock. No, I still shock. So this one to follow you. They do what men they do. Now they do. Your name says Queen. It really fits you because in fact, you have assumed the position of a queen. Charlie. See, sometimes if I dey think some kind things, I just wonder where they get all this morale. Like this vibe. How una just they wake up, say una decide. I be person they put her inside una. I'm not just, this girl must be a Malian. This spirit, now only Malian. Now only Malians get 24 years. 24. Now they do this. My sister, in fact, your journey is still long. If I'm to advise you now, just look for a job. Because this see, my people, when I first hear this matter, they say she don't even carry one big money. You understand where Maga pay or something. Just for me to hear, what did she even carry? They say na in Phoenix, Hot 8. I be with scammer. When people they collect millions, thousands, this one they collect infinite, and you see they do it. You know, say obviously this thing not before you. See, the oil way they person head, don't be waiting there another person head do. Then the other people now wait me, I even get wahala with EFCC. Una own. See as I don't know. It always the sweet to now. When it comes to normal people like this, it's the sweet to now to act. Now then we go see una action. Una go in fact, una mood there go there double activated, triple action self in fact. Normal citizen. But you now leave the real armed robbers or guys at the top. You now leave them there. You dey arrest person wey no get shishi in Phoenix Hot 8. How much be that for? If I don't even mistake, maybe 40,000 for Ghana citizen like 400. I don't know. How much be that? Where you dey go arrest person? Go look for the real thieves. Not be 40,000 thieves. All those billions, 100 billions, 25 million. Now those ones you supposed go arrest. Put them where they belong. Not be this one way. Now them they steal money. You know what it be money? See now they don't go post the get taking picture, put that. If now one big man wait commit fraud or corruption or something, una go hide the name, una go hide identity, una go come to tell us the identity has not been this one. Now they speak grammar. But this one now, even the full name, the age self, we know. Why una no they tell us una politician age when they commit crime, when they do something? All of a sudden, una don't become jobless. Una don't even know una job again. In fact, you don't even know. No, now why are they here anyways? Are they here to tell una job? So go look for them. They are the ones that you have to arrest and put under behind bars. No call they disturb people where they just they start their life. I know they support fraud, whether na the girl or being a boy. But my people abeg, make I no want discrimination. If the law is against people committing fraud, then anybody committing fraud should be arrested. Not some people. That is my problem. Not some people. I no wan hear this one. Abeg, if the law is against it, then do what the law says and let it apply to everybody. Not this one have money. They bribe una. They bribe una go come outside this one. All the oath and swear wey una swear before una enter these positions wey una get. Wetin happen to una? Now people just talk and make no wonder. See, this country, my people. I don't want to talk, but it's okay. It is well. Make I just use that one. It is well with this country. Una dey activate una self. Continue. We dey here. We dey watch. We dey wait. My people, any further updates concerning this matter, because according to them, they say they complete the investigation and they go put date for court. In Phoenix Hot 8, they carry and go court. Make una just imagine. In Phoenix Hot 8, they carry and go court. I no go talk. Now here una go hear the latest. Wetin they give her, whether they sentence am to what. Now here una go still get am. Now why if una never subscribe, una go miss plenty things. And I know why make una miss am also. Start dey click on that thing. You understand? Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video. Drop your comment, and I go reply now one by one as usual. Anything wey dey your mind, put am for there. Stay tuned for our next story. AJ baby is your baby. Who be that? Hey, no other person than Adekunle Gold. My people in matter. In fact, I just wake up, they hear many things for Twitter. Hey, my battery even die. Adekunle Gold. Adekunle Gold. When I hear the name everywhere. Wetin come my mind before be say, this man don release another album, hit song. My people, now so I say make I check out. Hey, una no go believe am. E get one wetin they call am, one lekpa like that, lekpa 2 shots, lekpa shots, one girl like that. They say na video vixen madam. Im name na wetin they call am, Teminika. Anyhow, they say this girl and Adekunle Gold. They say they paint the whole Nigeria red. They say love they flow. They just you understand? Serious allegations they rise up. And my people, when I face hear this thing, I don't say na lie. Say Adekunle wey me and no. Out of 1,000 relationships, I be marriages. This man, if they bring her outside, I feel even beat my chest, break her. Say this man he's not capable of cheating. But when I check her and I hear different, because I know say me I like to confirm my things very well. Different sources. Even people come outside, they testify, say yes, we get something, we do this one. For now, we don't know how this whole cheating matter start. You know, say this guy is a musician, and the girl they talk about Teminika video victim. So they work together for one. They do on set for one of the Adekunle Gold song where they do. Now from that set, and matter even reach me say, these guys sabi dey flirt with women. Hey, if you see say you fine, and I notice something, be like say you get something with lekpa people, all these slim girls. Now so the thing start from that set. Matter even reach me again. Say they even inside car. I can't wonder which style they never do safe. This is heartbreaking. In fact, I am disappointed. Wetin bring me here now? The girl in question, the husband snatcher, don't finally come outside. And according to Ram, she said she dey traumatized. Say since where people they talk about this thing, saying brain no fit reset again, brain she no fit focus. So right now the thing even they affecting family, it they affecting relationship, it they affecting brand, it they affecting head. In fact, nothing where this thing no affect. Now wait till she come outside talk. According to her, she they can't clear the air. I will put the apology. Sorry, her speech, the cheater speech. Now wetin she dey talk be this, my people. My question now, be say, first of all, I no say me I no dey use Simi play. I fit break person head because of Simi. I no dey use. Abeg, no, Simi too gentle now. E get people wey if heartbreak suppose come their way, no be Simi. Give am to person wey strong. I no wan mention name, you understand? E get people, see, just like the way we dey talk say there are some things God cannot give Africa, like earthquake, all those things, because God know say we no fit handle am. He dey carry and share am for all those white people. Na the same thing with this heartbreak. Abeg, Adekunle carry am go, no be Simi. No, na too like Simi na my person now. I no just understand. This guy, he dey lucky say I travel when this matter, because I no dey around. Because me and you, you see that your African trousers wey you always dey wear, we go enter inside. Back to my question. Abeg, based on this girl speech, abi statement, abi air clearing wey she come outside, my question now be say, you do am abi you no do am? Did you does it or you did not does it? Which one? Because now this explanation, I no dey like this kind of thing. They talk say you cheat, and if you know say you no cheat, at least come outside tell us say, oh, I didn't do it. If you didn't did it, tell us you didn't did it. No, they come outside, it's affecting my marriage, it's affecting my family. No, who is concerned? It's not my consignment. You know, you never clear any air. My sister, no be like this, they clear air. You know, see Destiny Etiko. She even come outside swear with him mama. See, nothing way new for our eye. Now you they come outside, you know, even you at least Destiny even try. She talk about the matter. You come outside, they tell us say the thing they affect you. No, how that one clear air for this place? I beg, see, as I dey see this girl like this, I don't know how they see her, but me, I just they see Rosie Mira. Not only Rosie Mira they see, I be that one say, he's my brother, she's my sister. I call her brother, she call me sister. This one, now waiting we will call them. He's my boss, I'm his staff. You know they knew. See, you people never come out to agree before. And they look for that courageous person where go admit, say, I did this thing, but I'm sorry about it. And they look for that person. All of you now go do. When you come outside now, suddenly you become a Christian. Person will never keep fly before. Now like this they do. Biko, you people should leave people's husbands. You know yourselves. You are inside this thing. I don't understand. Before they talk say leave people boyfriend, but at least boyfriend. No be say they support say person go carry person boyfriend, but I want make you check the levels. At least if na boyfriend, we fit us una people some like the way some people go dey talk. No, he never marry you. Now why you dey fight for am? Ngwanu, boyfriend may we leave on one side. This one they are married. For God's sake, make una leave people's husbands, ladies. Leave people's husbands alone. I just imagine the heartbreak we see me they go through now. I just imagine now. You know they easy. Now they everywhere. The one way even they pay me now, they even do an inside car. Hey, my brother, you never even carry your wife. Make una do an inside car. You carry this one. Do. They say they flirt. Oh, say if you don't see woman like this, you don't start. Now wow, what I tell you now before? Fear all these men where they quiet. All these men wey get gentle character, they know they talk, they know sabi. If they catch you for corner, they go chop you like two. Fear them. If they hey, no, Adekunle go. This guy just for my hand. I say you go just come. Hey, your baby, it's your baby. Because you are not more our baby. We know. I'm not just see. At the verse right now, my people. At the beg. Hey. Funny enough, the thing even they funny me for this thing. They say, ladies, una no say when you deal with one married man and you have something with the married man, for una mind, I'm his girlfriend. I mean, this one. You are just a booty call. They call you when they need the booty. Finish. Later, this man, see, sooner or later, the fact remains that this man go return to his wife. Why you no fit think? And if you return to your wife now, you are alone. Look for your partner. Look for somebody that two of you will grow together. Why you not? I don't understand. You not go wait, make person work finish. Then you not go chop inside. Hey, thunder go soon fire devil. Eh? Hey, now wow. See, in as much as I know they wait till they talk about, in as much as I they blame this girl, I also they blame men. Men, you need to learn to respect your wives, your home. Serious, because see, we go they blame ladies. No be the man go meet the woman. Assuming the man dey on his own now, nothing will happen. So abeg, in as much as we dey blame this girl, make una also look at Adekunle side, because if he no comot for house, nobody go see am. Very important. All these people wey dey no fit just wetin dey call that English, you no fit just dey professional. Do your work. If abeg, I no go talk past this one again. Abeg, I don too talk. My people, I say I must bring her outside because this thing, no, na because of Simi I dey do am. Now my personal person, me and Simi, be like 5 and 6, very important. And I bet my Simi, sweet Simi, now I bet take heart. Oh, don't worry, this one too shall pass. Very important. Anybody will not see your value, they go soon see am. And shame on them. I bet my people now the matter be this very hot right now, and see me down serious fire. So anything where you got store, drop am for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video because they must hear this my voice. Very important. And if you never subscribe, you go to miss matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.